Yummy. To my channel. Today is your first time of coming across my channel. You are highly welcome. For the new subscriber, please stay tuned. For the whole subscriber, thank you for coming. So today I will be telling you guys, I will be showing you guys how to prepare a delicious pepper stew. So I will be showing you all the ingredients I will be using for this recipe. I have my tomatoes here. I have my dry fish here, smoked one. They call it beaver here. I have my wash burger here, and I have my onions here. So I'll be showing you guys inside this pot. I have my meat, my meat and my intestine and all that inside here. I just put thyme and curry and maggi seasoning inside here. So we'll be waiting for the meat to be ready so we can do our pepper stew. So in this pepper stew, I would not be frying my meat, my chicken, because the people that are going to eat it, they require me not to fry the meat. I should cook it like that, so I will not be frying the meat. So I will be showing you guys all of it. So stay tuned. And now I want to tell you guys that my membership now is able, so please join my membership. You have a lot to benefit for that. So that's it. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Do not skip any part if you want to know how I prepare this delicious pepper stew. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, you can see our pot is dry. Now we are ready to fry. So I'm going to put our oil in the pot. Stay tuned. So our oil is on the fire. Okay, you are going to apply your salt to it and see if it's ready to fry. You can see. And then I'm going to place my tomato paste on it. So I'll be placing my onions and my tomato paste. I'm going to allow it to fry so that it won't bite mouth. So I'm going to allow it to fry. So to turn it, allow it to fry. Okay. Turn it, allow it to fry. We are going to be turning it because we don't want it to burn. Okay. You are going to turn it, keep turning it, and then keep turning it, guys. Okay. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful. And then I'm going to add my tomatoes on it. Tell you that you're beautiful. You are beautiful. Keep turning it, guys. Okay. Nobody wants to give you some love. So you allow it to cook for just some minutes. Then back and add my water. You can cover it up because you don't want it to split. After some minutes, I just place my onion. You can see how it looks. So I'll be allowing it to do for other 5 minutes, and then I'll put the water. So stay tuned. Okay. You can see after 5 minutes, I just place my meat inside. So I'm going to turn it. I'm going to turn it up, give it a good turn, and then add my dry fish and stock. So stay tuned. I just finished turning it, and then I'm going to be adding it, to it, and I will turn it as well. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt to it, and a 2 cubes of nut. I'm going to add it to it. Later today, I'm going to be adding this later today. This will be the last to add because I don't want it to be scattering inside the stew. So I'll be adding this later today. And then I'll be adding my curry. I let it cook before I add my smoked catfish. It has cooked for a while. Then I'm going to be adding my smoked catfish. To be adding it like this, you can see.
Oh nah.
Like this.
Oh nah nah nah.
Like this. Like this. Just like this.
Welcome to Creme
Like this. Like this.
Well, I know man tell you that you're beautiful.
Can see the way I am adding it.
You are beautiful, don't live and precious. Nobody wants to give you some love. Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful.
So sweet, guys.
Why do you know more creme and treasure got you?
You can see.
Deserve everything nice and beautiful. The skincare remedy, so I will give you. Why do you know more about your
You
skin?
can see that
You deserve to be beautiful again. You deserve to grow your skin again. Natural tissue we use, natural remedy for you. Oh nah, well I know man tell you that you're beautiful.
I mean, if you want
You are beautiful, don't live and precious.
the head,
Nobody wants to give you some love.
again put on the edge,
Nobody wants to tell you that you're beautiful.
in the head,
Ain't no cry, still zero stress. God know we first, still got the best. So many things you don't see, so many places you don't go. Money no more cause you just got the bread. Speak and let me give you this up.
This is ready, guys. This
Such
is
no more cause already got the best.
everywhere is looking yummy.
Make a
and
tutorial you did for you.
It's
Next
not
time bro,
just letting you guys see.
I've been a vlog and cooking.
So,
Everything
guys,
did for
I'm
you.
going to show you guys.
Subscribe,
You guys should. Rage it is so delicious and
Subscribe,
it's so peppery. So I love it. You can eat it with your yam, rice, anything of your choice, plantain, well. So today I'll be eating it with
So
white
you
rice.
never hear the
So you
gist.
can eat
So
it
you
with
never get
your
some tea.
spaghetti,
Remedy
and
for
I'll be
skincare.
eating it with my white rice.
Feel like I'm
So
food.
stay tuned.
That is what I give you. Clemente, I got you.
Okay.
Everything nice and juicy. Subscribe and thumbs up.
So delicious.
Subscribe and thumbs up. Giving you some good vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some nice vibe, giving you some good vibe. Energy to full. I got you, I got you.
So that's it for this video.
At the same time, I go love
watching.
you.
If you watch to the end, God bless
I no
you.
go go, I no go go
Don't
back.
forget to like, share with friends and family. Share for a lot of people to know. And I'll
Giving you
see
some
you
good
guys on my
vibe,
next
giving you
video.
some more
Don't forget to
vibe,
play,
giving you some good vibe, energy full, giving you my good vibe. I say they watch your work,
nice to
God God they bless you.
I love you guys.
Clement change, I got you. Lifestyle, food and feel skincare we give you. Oh no, everything else we give you. You crazy pandas. Oh no no no.